Today's recipe is packed with proteins and it's delicious too. And the best part about it that it's Jain and can be made during Paryushan as well. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's begin with the recipe for multigrain baked khichdi. The starting step is to saute a few ingredients. I took 1/4 cup of brown chana, soaked it in hot water for 4 hours and pressure cooked it. 1/4 cup of Toor dal, soaked it for 4 hours in hot water and pressure cooked it. 1/4 cup of green moong, soaked it for 4 hours and then boiled it in water. Do not pressure cook. Start with heating some ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1 bay leaf, 2 pieces of cinnamon and 2 cloves. After that, add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, a teaspoon of Red Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Turmeric Powder, 1 teaspoon of Coriander Powder, half a teaspoon of black salt. Just stir fry the spices for a few seconds. Don't let them burn and make sure that it's on low flame. Next, add in the pressure cooked dal. Do not churn the dal and let this cook. I want a semi-dry consistency, so boil the dal to dry out a little bit of water. The dal has been boiling for 2 minutes. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 small cube of jaggery. Now add in the boiled moong as well as the brown chana. Salt to taste and cook this for 2 minutes. The dal mixture has been simmering since 2 minutes and now I'm going to turn off the flame. The first part of the recipe is done and now to the next one, which is really quick. I've taken half a cup of Basmati rice that I've boiled. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt, 1 heaped tablespoon of tamarind pulp. Those who don't even use tamarind can also add just half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Also, a teaspoon of ghee. Mix all these ingredients together. And now, time to layer. Take a baking dish to layer the khichdi. Layer the entire quantity at the bottom. Top it with the rice layer. It's a delicious tamarind flavored rice. Sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala on top. And now cover this with aluminium foil. This is ready to go in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for about 15 minutes. This is ready and out of the oven. Let's scoop some of this and serve it in a plate. There's a beautiful mild aroma of the ghee. This is a delicious and quite a fulfilling meal. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Until then, bye-bye.